Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing a yellow with like blue eyeliner kind of look, and yeah, so it's beginner friendly and pretty easy to do, and I think that's about it, so let's get to it. So first we're going to start off with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So first we're gonna take this dirty brush, but you know, I'll clean it eventually. And let's see, this color as our transition color, and make sure it's not the shimmery one in the Morphe, which one is this? 35B palette. And we're just gonna put that right up top as our transition color. So now we're gonna take this bright yellow and we're gonna put that like all over the lid. And this looks messy over here. Okay, so get the yellow. So this eye I used obviously the Morphe, and this one I wanted to use upside down. NYX in STFU. Can't see that. Anyways, and I kind of want to just like see which one is better. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna say I like the Morphe side better, especially in person. Like, it's just kind of patchy. It could be my skin right now because my skin is very bad. But yeah, so still like the NYX, but I'm gonna go Morphe. So yeah. Now let's do the eyeliner, and I gotta find it. So I'll be back. I almost forgot our highlighters, so I'm gonna go in with this shimmery yellow and use that as a highlighter. And I don't feel like changing brushes, so I'm just gonna use this brush. And now we're gonna go in with this shimmery, like tan color. Yeah, shimmery. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Intensify Me in Sapphire. And I don't think this is the lid it came with, but maybe. Who knows? So I'm going to clean up the lines with concealer and probably do my brows, and then I will be back. Alrighty, so I'm back. Cleaned up the line a bit, and I think I want to put nude under the lid, or not under the lid, under my waterline, but I also want to try black. So on one eye I'm gonna do nude, on the other I'm gonna do black. So yeah, it's more like testing it out, seeing which one I like, doing all that kind of good stuff. So yeah. Alrighty, so I grabbed the wrong eyeliner. This one, the Revlon, see, Revlon Color Stay. Yeah, no, it burns when you put it in your waterline. This one does not. The H2O Proof by Wet n Wild. Favorite one, doesn't burn. You can put it in your waterline, and yeah. So we're gonna try this over again. Alrighty, so I have the nude, and let's see how this goes. It doesn't really look like it. I don't know. So tell me which one you like better in the comments. Yeah. So I think that's about it. Let me do some highlighter, because like, why not? And one of these little travel brushes that I got. And my Korean highlighter that I need a new one of because the lid broke. So that is the finished look, and I hope, well, not really finished look, because like, so that is me testing out 2 different looks. So I hope you liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. Bye!